Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I promise I'm going to get back to some fashion related videos soon. But since I did go ahead and do a huge renovation, to me it was huge, I decided today to show you how I took my plain IKEA dresser and kind of turned it into this rustic chic new fit for my space. So if you want to see how that was done, stay tuned. Alright, so we always have to prep with some supplies. You are going to need your screwdriver. You're going to need a paintbrush and some paint. Optional, I guess. And then you're going to need pulls. For me, I changed mine. Of course, this is optional for you. If I forgot anything, I'll definitely leave it in the description box. So we're going to start with me basically taking out all of the drawers, because obviously you can't do this with the drawers in. And then I gave my dresser a wipe down. I've had this dresser for a couple of years now, and I've always been meaning to paint it. And I've always had this idea to do exactly what I did. I just never done it because my space was so tight. And since I was moving to a new room, I just decided to go ahead and do it since it was coming over to the new space. So as you can see, some of the pulls that IKEA gave me are coming out, but now we're going to go ahead and fix that. So right now what we have are, I'm going to be switching out the knobs that came with the drawer, and I'm going to be switching them out because I want to get a more high class look. So we are going with these crystal bling bling on these bitches. So we're switching to these. I got these from Amazon. I got a pack of 12 or 10 for like $10 or something. I'll link it in the description box. But these. So when it came to actually painting, what I decided to do was I wanted the grain of the wood to kind of still show through. So I wasn't really heavy-handed when it came down to painting the doors or painting the wood, period. So we kind of just would paint and then let the paint run out and then kind of spread it so that you can still see some of the grain coming through. The pulls do come with their own screws, so I kind of replaced the ones that I got. The whole thing, actually, the ones IKEA gave me were replaced with the ones that the new company gave me, and I want to tell you I absolutely love them because they do they're very, very, very high quality, and they're very heavy, and I love them. Alright, so we are using some dollar sample paint we bought a couple of years ago from Lowe's. I think it's Valspar, and it is their satin white. We did use a cover at the bottom to protect the floor from the paint. And again, the technique is really just loading up that paintbrush and then just wiping it until there's no more, and then you're kind of just spreading the paint at that point. This is just for that if you still want some of the grain to peek through. We didn't use a roller brush because a roller brush would have covered up everything, and so we used a regular paintbrush to go ahead and still see the grain peeking through the wood, and to me it worked. I liked it. So here is the finished product of the side of the dresser, and then the finished product overall is coming up. I will say that I absolutely love this. It gave the dresser a new lease on life. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspired you to go and make over your space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video, hopefully next week.